Hello, welcome to another video of my YouTube playlist, Angular Internationalization. In this playlist, I am discussing different ways to use ngx-translate to create multilingual application. The last couple of video, I discussed the basic of ngx-translate, how to install it in Angular application, and demonstrated the way to create multilingual application using ngx-translate and HTTP loader. I also discussed how to add translation file manually and use TypeScript to store translation data. This video I will show the way to create separate file for keeping translation business at single point. Let's run the app and see how it works. Open terminal and type here npm start. It runs the application. This is the demo application. Currently it serves for two languages. They are English and Bangla. And English has been chosen because my browser language is English and the contents are English also. Let's switch to Bangla. You can see this is the multilingual application and it's translated successfully to. Let's refactor code to add service for translation logic at center point. Split the terminal window. I'm going to use Angular command to create service for translation. So here is the command G for generate and service and name of the service. Press enter. So this basically create a translation service for us. Here it is. Okay, so move back to the app component file. Here we can see the all logic of translation over here. So this is the translate service which comes from the ngx-translate. So I'm going to shift this reference from this file to translation service. Okay, let's use it here. Fix the input issue. So you can see it comes from the ngx-translate core. So, and I cut all this code from this file to the translate service under the constructor method. Here translate is the instance of translate service, and add length method, this method basically tells the ngx-translate that how many languages the app are going to serve and who are they. As your current demo app serving for two languages, this is why this array contains the language code for English and Bangla. This set default lang method basically default the language version of the app. So here I will create a get. I'm going to add a method. Its name is current lang. So this method will return the current language of this application. This method will return the current language of this application. Let's copy this code and paste here. So here it returns the browser language. So I am here at this and when it do this, it's simply return. It is checking that browser language is available in ngx-translate or not. If it is, it returns the browser language is the current language, or it returns the Bangla as a current language. Like we already discussed that using this method we are telling ngx-translate that we are supporting this language, but if the browser language is other than English or Bangla, like if it is the Spanish, the this function will return. If it is Spanish, this function will return BN as a current language. So here I can use this method. The use method is taking a parameter which is language code and tells the ngx-translate to translate the app as per this language code. So here we are. Let's add a reference of our newly created translation service. Okay, this should not be translate service, the translation service. Make it import it. Here this current language is, we can see it static. So now I'm going to use from it translation service. So write here ng on init. So this current lang is translation service get current language. Okay, and on language change, when user change the language from the language switching drop down, this method has been fired. And this translate use method tells the ngx-translate to use this language as current language and translate the app accordingly. So I am going to move this code to the service also. So here it is. So I name it uslang. Name it language code. So I'm using a language code. This should be string. Here it is. This translation service uslang. Okay, the current log. Okay. This translation method tells the ngx-translate the language code and with its associated data that comes from the translation file. I'm going to move this logic to my custom service. So here I'm adding a add translation method. Here I am creating the interface of local and also put in the code here. So now I need to close the so we don't need this code. I remove here and use this translation service. Use the add translation method. Here we can pass both English lang and Bangla lang object. Okay, now we are done. Okay, let's save this file. and see. So you can see there is no error. So share browser, okay, refresh and change the language. Here we successfully use custom Angular service to use the language related business at central point. I pushed this code into my GitHub account and added the link into my description. If you think, you can check it out from my GitHub account. Thank you.